Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ankur in Germany. So today's video is going to be about my first international travel from India to Germany as a student. So I hope you will love the video and let's start. So my official trip started from Chandigarh and I took an Flixbus from sector 43 to Delhi, and I think it was the cheapest option from for me to get to Delhi. So I took Flixbus, and in this video I am going to tell you about some important tips which you should keep in mind if you're taking flight from Delhi airport, especially Air India. I'm going to tell you about some like things which I didn't know about baggage, and I will tell you how you can increase the baggage limit at the end of the video.
Now it's the right time to do the right things. I feel how this place has become an island of a cold and endless setting sun. Oh, longings going backwards to what was then, when the glorious shimmer surrounded the rising sun. You better stop it, you say, you better leave it that way. It is not too much to worry about the things you buried deep down in the past. Time runs too fast, but if you want, my friend, you can start it.
I reached the airport 4 hours before my flight, but you can still see there was a long line for the baggage. That's why I asked you to come to airport like 4 to 5 hours before your flight, so that you can get like enough time to think about the next step. It took me around like 1 to 1.5 hour for the baggage, and after that half hour for immigration and half hour for security check. You all know that like for the security check you have to keep all your electronics and gadgets at the trays. So like it was very difficult for me. I had a lot of gadgets like laptops, watch, power bank, so it took me a while to like pass the security check. After that I went to the sitting area, I took some rest. It was a very tiring process, I was very exhausted, but still I got like 1 hour before my boarding, so I took some rest, I took some videos out, and yeah, I was ready for the boarding. Air India gives 2 check-in bags of 23 kg each to students. Max you can go is 24 kg in each bag, and for the cabin bag usually they don't check the weight of cabin bag, so you can fill it up more. Personally they didn't check my cabin bag, but sometimes they do, and it's your luck. Thank you. Guys, this is our aircraft. We will be boarding soon. And that is, my friends, Frankfurt Airport. Welcome to Frankfurt. It was a 9.5 hour flight from New Delhi to Frankfurt, and after landing you have to be quick because the line for the immigration can be very long. And at the immigration they didn't ask me much question, they just asked about my university, why I am coming to Frankfurt, and they asked about my passport, and that's it. Welcome to Frankfurt. So please check the weight of your baggage, check-in baggage and cabin baggage before coming to airport, and make sure you are underweight. And if your weight increases at the airport, and it is really a hectic job, you have to like throw some things out, and it won't be a good experience. So you don't need to worry about immigration at Frankfurt airport. It goes really smooth. Just keep your documents handy. If they ask for any documents, just show them. And this was all for my travel vlog from New Delhi to Frankfurt. If you have any queries, please let me know and follow my channel, because I will keep on bringing this kind of important videos and important topics. If you want any video on particular topics, please let me know. Ciao, auf Wiedersehen.